Are you ready to love absolutely everything about your sunscreen? Meet our Skin Barrier Sun Shield SPF 30. The most luxurious, clean, silky soft, sheer, and lightweight formula. You're literally going to have to pause and pinch yourself while you try to remember if you are really applying sunscreen at all. We all know that wearing sunscreen is absolutely essential, but when it comes to applying it, we also dread the chore because sunscreens can feel heavy, greasy, suffocating, and drying. Not to mention, they're often formulated with pore-clogging waxes and questionable ingredients that can cause skin congestion and breakouts. At True Botanicals, we addressed all of these issues with a first-of-its-kind non-nano zinc formula that is so silky soft, sheer, breathable, and lightweight, you are going to feel like you're wearing nothing at all. The slight warm tone of Skin Barrier Sun Shield SPF 30 blends seamlessly into all skin types and tones, neutralizing redness and giving the skin a healthy looking glow. Plus, this formula is non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic, certified made safe, and pregnancy safe, making this perfect for literally anyone. Not only will you love using our SPF, your skin will love it too. Skin Barrier Sun Shield SPF 30 is a sunscreen and skincare product in one, working double duty to both protect and nourish. This mineral sunscreen harnesses the power of our naturally derived non-nano zinc to deliver broad spectrum protection from both harmful UVA and UVB rays, while potent skin benefiting antioxidants and essential fatty acids from beautiful ingredients like vegan Pea Peptide, sea buckthorn oil, and Chebula nourish and support your skin barrier, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and supple. Benefits you never thought you could receive from your sunscreen, right? I cannot wait for you to get your hands on this wonderful formula and hear all of your future love stories between you and your new Sun Shield SPF 30, your most essential skincare step yet.